Hi, this is Mark, and I'm reviewing the Royal Solar lamp post model GS-98B-F. Nice looking lamp. And when I first got it and opened it up, the top was loose. And I realized, this is no big problem. I went into the box that it came in, and I found the little, what they call a knob, but it's actually, just a covered nut that's supposed to go on there. So I read the instructions, which are not terrific, and I was able to reach my hand in, and there's a switch in there, and when you switch it on, ta-da, the light comes on. So I was happy about that, and there's two light intensities depending on which way you hit this toggle switch. So there's the brightest, and there's not so bright. Okay, so then, since I don't have the pole yet to mount it on, I decided to close it up. So I saw that this screw is supposed to fit through the hole so that the knob, or really a nut, is supposed to go through, and then you're supposed to attach it, but it doesn't stick through enough. Here's what it looks like on the other side with the knob in place, and it's working fine. So it took me a while, and in case you have this problem, what you have to do is you have to take this screw and see that the nut on that screw, well, it's not supposed to be loose like this. This is the way it came when I got it. So you have to tighten up the nut, and you can just do it with your finger. I've got one finger back here holding the screw so it won't turn, and then I'm just using my other finger to tighten the nut up. And you don't have to tighten it up real tight, but once you get it there, you can turn the screw and it'll tighten up. Now what happens, when you stick it back in, the screw actually protrudes enough that you can take the nut, I'm sorry, I'm doing this by myself, and you can get it on that screw and then just tighten it up. Now, before I mount it outside, I will take, either a wrench or a little pair of pliers and tighten it up nice and tight so that it's watertight. But just thought I'd share with you that problem in case any of you get one with the nut already off or the screw that you screw it onto loose. All right, good luck with it. So far it looks great.